उसके लिए दिल्ली के लोगों
Menteri rang ba ke jilla u Konrad ke sangma ula ong ba ke jilla kelas dang ban mi syakmat ban kentiu ya ke jinga Trei lang na ke jinga dei parlok bat ke India baka don bat ke Japan. Habia kren halor ka Economic Partnership Agreement ke batmu ban penklan ya ke jinga te na ke benta ban yo ya ka yo ka kot hapadeng kini ki ari ha ka 5th India Japan Conclave ke bala penlong ha gawahati Menteri rang ba ke jilla ula ong ba ke jilla kala pli ya ka lat na ke benta ki kena samla ban yo ya ke Jinghikai na kabenta ban yo kam sa Japan. Dakbas dang dakatu ka ni ki nos ki blay yo kam ka jilla menta kala nang yo ban plelat shushu ban ay Jinghikai saya kumbalay hajar ngut ki nos hakisnem ki ban wan.
Expand and become into huge opportunities where our two nations can really work with each other and at the same time economically prosper. And it is this relationship and trust and the efforts by our Honorable Prime Minister which has motivated states like ours and many other states to take the step towards improving that partnership at the state level also with Japan. I'm very, very clear in terms of the strategy for a state like ours. We're not a very big state, and there are certain areas of strengths that we have, certain opportunities that we have, and we would like to be very focused in the way we move forward.
Ka senjam ka bansa jingkan mau